trust me, what I'm about to show you is very amazing. Did you know that when you go to this website, you can browse the food of the entire world. It will show you the local popular foods in the area where you are browsing. Let's say you travel to another country and you want to see, okay, what is the food, the local food here. And the amazing thing about it is it can also show you the recipe, and it will show you the local restaurant recommended where you can get this particular food. Now let me show you how it works. See, we have Taste Atlas. When you get here, you can actually search through the map, or you come here and then you can give your coordinates here. But let's see, let's just type Nigeria, since good. Now we are in Nigeria. See what we are able to see in Nigeria. So we have jollof rice. We have tuwo shinkafa. We have ogbono soup. We have ofe onugbu. Let's try and let's click jollof rice. Let's see what happens. Wow, jollof rice. Okay, let's scroll down. So this talks about jollof rice. Wow. See the rating, 4.7. The overview. Wow. So this is the place you can eat the food, the recommended restaurant with good jollof. We have Lagos, Nigeria, 27 Ojuolobun Street off. When you click it, you get the full gist of the address and how you can get there. We have Lagos again. We have Lagos, 35 Akin Adeshola. So it's recommended by Mosimilolu Odusanya. Now let's see. Okay, wow. We have those cooking. So if you are in United States and you are watching me right now, we have those cooking this jollof rice. We have it in the United States. You just can click on this and click on this and you will get to read more about it. Nigeria Cuisine by MJ. This one is in Las Vegas in the United States. So there are more rice dishes down here, so you can read more about that. So for example, you click on this view lists. So when you click on view list, this is what you see. You see the best where you eat local, the best traditional meal in Nigeria recommended by food professionals. So you have Glover Court, Suya, Jevinic Restaurant, Ocean Basket, Victoria Land, and so on. We have what to eat in Nigeria. We have the dishes, the drinks. We have 30 drinks. You can click and see what is listed there. We have the beverages, vegetable soups, and so on. Most popular Nigerian dishes, we have moi, suya, jollof rice. You see how it looks? I'm sure it will taste nice. You have to try it. You have eba. This is called eba. This is called afang soup, banga soup. Wow. So much. Lots of soup in Nigeria. Ogbono soup, eforiro, nkwobi, tuwo shinkafa. Okay, this one is kokoro. This one is chin chin, and so on. You can view more. Lots and lots of it. So you can come back to this place and maybe you can try another country of your choice, and then you see how it goes. Isn't this amazing? Wow. So next time you are traveling, you have no problem but choice of food or what you want to eat, you can just come right here, pick the country you are in, then you search for it, the cuisines there, and then you actually read about it to know if you want to taste it or not. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell below. Love you.